So this is the ROM 3.0 on Amiga 1200. I will now replace it with an upgraded version of 3.1, which has just arrived, and I'll show you how it looks. The chips with the upgraded version 3.1. So this is 3.0 and this is 3.1. I'm just going to put them in. I need to read the instructions now. So this is the diagram, and it says that the ROM with number 774, 3 last digits, should be at the top, and 773 at the bottom. So this is what we're going to do here. Put that ROM, which is 774, these are the numbers here, and this is the 773, so one at the top and the other one at the bottom. So I've managed to put one. I just need to be careful with the motherboard because it's very fragile. Remember not to bend any of those legs because it would be too late. Once you have bent them, you have to buy another set of those ROM replacements. I think I've got one already bent. It's the last one here.